Imagine the 2026 headlines. No, not that one. This one. Places are up around 6%, auctions packed, rents are still climbing. Which city would you back with 600K today? In this deep dive, I'm going to show you the best performing capital cities, why the bubble hasn't burst yet, and where I would put 600K today. Spoiler alert, it's not where you think. Before we rank the big cities, a quick pulse check on what's happening out there in the property market today. Population is still hot. Net overseas migration was at 446,000 in 2023-2024, and the budget is set to be 260,000 in 2024-2025, and 255,000 in 2025-2026. Still a big inflow by historical standards, which keeps pressure on both rents and entry-level stock. Supply is lagging the target. Government wants 1.2 million new homes built over 5 years from July 1st, 2024, which equals around 240,000 new homes a year. But we completed 43,000 dwellings in the March quarter 2025. At that pace, we're only completed 174 dwellings per year. So we're in a deficit. The rental market remains tight. The nation vacancy rate fall to 1.2% in August 2025. Nationwide gross rental yield sits at 3.7% for housing in particular, which breaks down to around 3.5% for capital cities, and for regional towns around 4.4%. Building costs have slowed down, but building costs aren't falling. The Cordell Construction Cost Index rose by 0.5% in Q2 2025 and 2.9% over the year. More like a jog than a sprint, which means replacement costs are staying high. In simple terms, housing isn't getting cheaper, it's getting more expensive to build. Prices are still increasing. August saw the national index rose by 0.7%, with Brisbane at 1.2%, Sydney at 0.8%, Melbourne at 0.3%, Hobart at a negative 0.2%. In plain terms, where you put 600K still matters more than ever before. The national housing value rose by 1.8% in August for the last 3 months, taking the nation's median house price to $843,000. So there's a big picture for the property market. Let's take a look at it. Which capital cities are leading the growth race?